Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Teach Trash Talking Mom a Lesson She Won't Ever Forget by Police Insider.
A 2-year-old was found wandering in a Walmart parking lot and brought in by a concerned citizen. But things quickly spiraled into chaos when a woman suddenly grabbed the child and started walking away.
How you just gonna pick up the child like you ain't just leave the baby wandering?
Whoa. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Baby don't know what to do.
You okay, ma'am?
Everything's fine.
She was already at the checkout. That mean he probably ran off to the front.
Okay.
What you still calling me for?
Well, because we got a call of a juvenile that's, walking around the lot.
Because we're paying for food, so we have a lot going on. You can see that, right?
Okay.
Thank you. We're good.
Oh, she got a nasty attitude.
Ma'am, can I get your information, please? We just gotta document this. That yes, sir.
You better get out of here.
Oh, it's about to be one of them parties.
First of all, it's not even my kid, so you need to mind your business. He walked away. We're paying for food. You need to mind your business. You don't need to make a scene. You don't need to do nothing. You need to walk away.
Listen, we're not
I got my
trying to make a
kid.
scene.
You need to walk away now.
Listen, but
that's
the
it.
fact, listen.
There's no fact about it. The fact is you need to walk away.
Yeah, but
there's nothing else about it.
That is not the way to handle a situation with the police.
There's nothing else about it.
Somebody called the
Absolutely
cops.
nothing. Because the kid was standing up there, right? Okay then. We didn't call him, so we didn't need you.
But
I didn't
we
ask for you, so you can go ahead now.
Right,
I'm
but
not gonna cooperate because I don't have a right to. I don't need to. Go ahead.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
So I called because I didn't know.
Okay, so you called him. So talk to him. He called.
You're the
You guys
parent.
don't call. No, I'm not the parent.
Wait a minute, he was in the parking lot? Nah, something ain't right about this, y'all.
So that's what you need to mind your business.
But
Go
listen,
ahead.
Let a kid get
All
hit.
right, go
Listen.
ahead. You brought him inside, so go to head. Don't get smacked. Get the out my face, bro.
She is ungrateful. What you mean get smacked? Probably saved your child's life.
I didn't act. I said it's not my kid, so therefore I don't care. We're done talking.
I get that.
We're
It's not
done.
your kid.
We're finished.
But
We're
you're
finished.
in charge of the kid,
We're
right?
finished.
This is that ghetto bullshit I be talking about. The mentality. I hate this mentality so much.
No, I'm not. We're finished. No, I'm not. We're finished.
So who
We're
was
done.
supposed to
We're
be in
done.
charge of the kid?
We're done.
Who was
We're
supposed to be in
done.
charge
I don't
of the
know.
kid?
It doesn't matter. We're done. What am I talking about?
So she was supposed to be in charge of that kid. And
I'm not in charge of any kid because none of these kids are mine. Therefore, the kid walked away, right? Because we're paying for stuff. We have 3 children. Don't you see that? There's 2 of us. You see that, right? We got stuff going on. No,
Listen,
he's being a whoever called the cops being a so now I'm gonna be a too. I actually walked away.
This is not finna work out the way you want it to.
Hey,
I'm not trying to be a
yes, you are.
Okay.
Man, just talk to me then.
There's nothing to talk about. I already told you.
So this is the kid?
The kid's in the gray hat, but I'm gonna speak to the guy that found the kid. Sir.
What's up, buddy?
Listen, man, I appreciate your help. You did absolutely the right thing.
Listen, I
So.
wasn't gonna let the kid stand out there.
Absolutely, because God forbid the kid gets hit by a car. Do you have your license on you? I'm gonna take your information. Like I said, I'm trying to get her information and document this, but you see how
Just
she is.
loud and ghetto.
So is the parent to that kid here?
No. Why? What happened?
Well, somebody called saying
Yes,
he was
he
walking by
walked
himself.
away. That's him. He walked away. Kids
Yeah,
do.
I understand.
We didn't see him.
What you mean that's him? You supposed to have your eyes on him at all times.
So therefore,
What type of parent are you? Watcher, sitter? What the fuck? I would be cursing you out right now if I was that kid's parent.
we didn't see him. We didn't know he walked away. We went to go find him. Though.
That's fine. I'm
We
not
nobody told us that the kid was out there. We went to go find him. We found him.
Man, I'm not saying you're in trouble.
All right, so
Relax.
then tell him to go to the cat. Tell him I'm not cooperating. Go ahead. You're not getting my name. You're not getting. Go
I
ahead.
understand, but you're... Listen, we got called here, so we have to do our due diligence.
Okay, so
that's
do what
all.
you gotta do. You see that we
So,
got the kid back.
We
so
just
go
have to
ahead.
confirm who we're turning the kid over to,
Us,
that's all.
me and him, me and her. That's it. Me
I
and
know,
her. That's it.
But I
That's
don't
it.
know
Me
who
and
you
her.
guys are in relation to the child.
You might be stealing the baby.
That's all.
They're with us, right? They're with us. He came to me, right?
Well,
That's it.
I don't
That's
know
it.
that,
No.
though,
That,
because-
we don't know you.
Yeah, but you see I'm a police officer, right?
Okay, that don't mean. What the f that mean? That
So
mean you here
listen
for
to
me?
me.
No.
If it's not your kids, you're still responsible for him. You brought him out the house, right?
Right, exactly. And I'm trying to explain that to her
Somebody got some sense in this motherfucker.
20 degrees outside.
calmly, and you see how she is reacting.
Combative.
So you just found the kid
Ghetto.
wandering
Loud.
around the
I was
road.
walking in the store
Annoying.
at this park, and I see a kid in the street. I looked around, there's no parent, no nothing. And
Okay.
I called him, and then I called the desk.
I appreciate it. What's the phone number for you, sir?
You weren't here when the caller called and had the child by themselves,
Okay.
right?
Okay. And
So
when I
now-
seen the kid, I went to go get him.
I understand,
so
but
therefore, that's it.
if this lady
Then the
walked up and
conversation's
said
over.
that's my kid, we can't just trust that. We have
Okay,
to
well,
verify.
you're gonna find out if it's my kid?
Well, that
How
I'm
you gonna know
asking
that?
you because I'm asking.
Yes,
Do you
I
have
said
pictures
yes
of the
already, so that's
child
it.
on your phone to
We got
prove?
pictures of the kid. We got pictures of the kid. Why wouldn't we have pictures of the kid? Why wouldn't we? Let me see.
Well, if it's your child, you probably have pictures on your phone, right?
Why would that matter?
Because
Why would that matter? You
it's
see
just
this?
so
Look.
it's just so we can
Just look. There you go.
confirm.
See, look. That's them.
Okay, what's the
All three
child's
of them.
name? Okay, I just
You
have
need
to write
see?
it down.
No,
That's
you
all.
don't. Get out of here.
How you got that if that's not your kid?
Okay, well, ma'am, I'm trying to work with you, but I
You're
can't
not.
let you
That's his mama. She just don't want no issues with CPS.
leave with the child unless I confirm who he belongs to. That's
She don't want to
all.
get it documented. I see what's going on. She don't want to get it documented because if anything was to happen, that's gonna come up.
I'm not.
But that's not the way to act towards police officers. They just trying to do their job.
I'm trying to make this very easy for you. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm not trying to do
All right,
anything.
And these cops are super patient, by the way.
Hurry up, because now y'all dragging it. Y'all dragging it.
That's
Y'all
fine.
dragging shit.
That's fine.
He's
So,
in the
what
crying.
is the
He'd be
child's
crying if
name?
it wasn't him.
What is the child's name?
She could care less about the 2-year-old's well-being or the fact that she's berating the people who found the child and ensured his safety.
So
Facts.
shut up. Get out my face.
I'm not getting out of your first of all.
Y'all ain't gonna shut the f up. Get the f out my face.
And what's the last name? Ma'am, what's the last name? Ma'am, what is the last name?
What's your
Right.
name? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name?
Ma'am,
What's your name?
stop scaring the child. I'm
No,
talking
shut
to
up.
you.
Talk to me.
This is not going to work out in your favor if you don't just cooperate.
Not gonna help you either. If you put handcuffs on me, you're going to jail.
Nobody said
Oh no, your ass going to jail. You can't be talking to the cops like that.
anything about putting
You already
handcuffs on
know.
anybody.
You don't have nothing to talk about.
Stop yelling. You're causing a scene in Walmart.
Stop talking to me.
Ma'am, what is your relationship to the child?
She been drinking that Henny. It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Day drinking is a thing. She off that Henny.
Okay, the child is not leaving here with you guys unless we confirm who the child belongs
So
to.
what you gonna do? Because we can call somebody else then. What you gonna do? Because
You can get arrested. That's for one.
We're going to find who the child
she's the
belongs
mother of the child.
Then why are you
Obviously, if we're here.
Stop cursing.
No,
Because you
I
will get
don't give a.
to.
I don't give a.
That's not your child, then get the hell out of here.
No, I drove him here. What the?
You're
You
going to
don't
get
tell me
arrested.
what
You're
to
going
do.
to get arrested. You don't leave. You're causing a scene.
I have
There's
to pay for
children.
my. Don't touch me. I have to pay for my.
Don't touch me.
I didn't touch you. Back the up.
Don't spit
Get
on
out of
me
my
and stop
face.
cursing.
So get out of my face.
Keep this up. You're
You
getting
keep it up.
arrested.
You keep it up.
That's your
You
last
keep
one.
it up.
Man,
You
listen,
keep it up.
listen, we're
Why is she so on 10? You got so aggressive towards a man, and he literally can mop the floor with your ass. I don't understand why women be feeling so like they can talk to men like this, and if a man don't, I mean, 3, 2, 1. No, fuck the 3, 2, 1. That's stupid. Like, respect is a two-way street. You supposed to respect people. Men supposed to respect women respect men. Because we know for a fact what a man can do to a woman. Versus just like we know what a woman could do to a man if she got that thing on her. She got a little poker. So what's so hard about being respectful? Like,
I don't care. I'm not calm now. I'm not calm.
You need to be calm.
No, I don't. Get the f out of my face.
Either leave or you're gonna get arrested.
Bro, arrest me.
We're not gonna sit
Arrest
here and
me.
deal with this.
That's what I got. Arrest me. Arrest me. I swear to God. I swear
oh yeah, she want to go to jail. She got a girlfriend in there. She look like Queen Latifah anyway.
to God, go arrest me. What you got? What reason? What
Start
reason?
walking your stuff
What
out.
reason?
Is it paid for?
What reason? No, I'm not
Start
paying for you.
leaving.
It's
Start
not.
leaving.
Get out of here.
What's the last name of David?
That's theft. She can't do that, officer.
Excuse me.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh,
You're
Oh my God.
yeah, you done. You're done.
just grab yourself. You want to do this? You did this
Okay,
to
so
yourself.
what? Okay.
You
So
did
why
this
you
to
want to
yourself.
call my lawyer?
Relax,
and have a
relax.
look? Watch me.
Relax.
On my phone you are.
Relax.
On my phone you are.
It didn't have to
You
happen.
have
Ooh, she make me not ever want to see her ever again in life. Why are you so annoying?
a handcuff to me. You don't have a reason to do this. All right, so what?
Relax.
I'm gonna. You want to? Or you want me to take her?
Get off of me.
I'm trying to get the name.
Isaman.
Get off of me.
Hold on. Hold on.
Bro.
These officers are so chill and so laid back. Like, this didn't even have to happen like this, honestly.
Why are you grabbing on me? I'm not doing
Go away.
I'm not doing to you. Don't touch me. Get off of me, bro. Now I'm gonna stand here because you told me to stand here.
Keep moving.
Uh-oh. Baby, move that basket out the way so they can do what they need to do to your stupid friend.
Oh, okay.
You wanna get entertained?
$200.
This is gonna be-
And they got a lot of stuff for $200. I need to go shopping with them. Shit.
We have one under.
What? To who? To who? Because now you throwing charges for no reason. So, okay? Okay, go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I swear to God, my soul. What's your badge number, bro? What's your badge number? Why are you doing that to my arm? Why are you doing that to my arm?
Because you're pulling away.
No, I'm not. Why are you doing that to my arm? And I'm walking
This got to be the most annoying arrest ever recorded.
right next to you. If you break my arm with my soul, I swear to God.
Miss Hothead quickly found out who was really in charge, and after kicking out the loudmouth, the officers could calmly get done with their due diligence.
You're the mom?
Yes, I have.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, and that's your child?
Yes, it is, but
Okay.
I had my daughter in the bathroom. I was taking my daughter to the bathroom, and she was.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Look, Tom, I'm gonna speak to you, okay? Like I said, you guys are not in any trouble. She caused all this. If she didn't get so excited and loud, she would not be handcuffed right now. Okay? Do you have your license with you?
Keep running your mouth.
Yo, what's the fuck keep on my mouth? I got a right. I can talk. Fuck you mean?
Talk yourself right into jail.
Now, swear to God, on my soul.
It's this behavior
On my
while
soul.
you're
No,
getting
I don't
Stop swearing to God. He don't like you like that. Like, you doing too much swearing.
care. God, no reason. No reason.
So you guys were here paying, and he just walked
Ooh, she got my blood pressure high. Shit.
off.
no, when I came, when she said she had to use the bathroom, she moved to the car.
And she was watching him. Okay.
No, they're all here. He wanted her.
Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of kids. I get it. Happens all the time. So here's your license back. What's the phone number for you?
You have any weapons on you?
No, you said weapons. You did.
Okay, I'm searching with the back of my hand, okay?
I'm give you back of something else if you don't act right. Nah, I'm playing.
Spitting on me.
That's a
Ooh,
talk.
Okay, but you don't have
that's assault.
I don't care. My mouth is wet. What the f***? You gonna dry it out for me? You gonna air dry it? Are you?
to stop spitting.
No!
Somebody got a real life anger issue. She need to be tranquilized.
You arrested me for you done. It's cool though. I swear to God, my soul, y'all done.
Face that way, please.
Shut up. Don't put your hand on my neck.
Okay, stop
Get off my
spitting
neck.
on me. I said
Get off my neck.
nobody's touching your
You're
neck.
touching my neck. I can't breathe.
All right,
Her elbows on it.
I can't breathe.
for assault.
I can't breathe.
I'm not even touching your
I'm
neck.
not even spitting on you. I'm talking. I can't breathe.
Ugh, that's fucking disgusting.
It's assault because
She
you're
got spit all on her bottom of her chin.
spitting on me.
I can't breathe.
But we know one thing. She a slobber gobber.
On purpose.
No, I'm not. I'm talking. I can't talk. I can't talk.
You're yelling. You're not talking whatsoever.
I can't talk.
Disorderly conduct and
Okay,
assault.
so charge me. Hurry up. I don't care. I'm not the mother of the child. I'm not the mother of the child. It doesn't matter. You didn't have no right to talk to me. None.
So disorderly, and she's been spitting on me the entire time. So I'm charging her with
Like what? 4 aggravated assaults?
No, I was talking. I was having a conversation. First of all, I was never spitting on you.
Shut up. Why is she screaming? Good Lord.
I don't have a reason to spit on you. I don't have a reason to do that. And so I have to go drop him off.
He's getting the rest of the info from
How
the
long is it
mother.
gonna take?
This woman is not the mother of the child.
How long is it going to take? I have to drop them back off. I brought them here in my car. My keys and everything is in that place.
Okay, just stop talking right now.
Sir, I brought them here. I have to take them back home. They came here in my car. My phone and my...
Baby. You should have thought about that before you was getting all buck wild and irate. Because they don't want to hear shit you got to say now.
What are you talking about?
My friend and my family. What do you mean that's my family?
Okay, what is your question about your family? I can't.
When am I coming back so I can take them back home?
Oh, you spit in the night.
My car is in this parking lot.
She's gonna have to make other arrangements. And
So how am I going to get back to my car?
What's that?
How am I going to get back to
Toad.
my car?
How are you gonna get back? To
Yes.
Figure that out when you get released.
When do I get released? Why are you even arresting me? You don't have a reason to
I
arrest
told
me.
you because of disorderly
But
conduct.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Ag assault on a police officer.
And
And-
had nothing to do with me.
Okay.
Why you should understand my frustration. I'm in there with 3 kids and a mom. She's in there.
You had your opportunity.
Bro, but I tried to...
I hope she don't got no kids, cause Lord, they gonna be full of trauma.
Tell
Shit.
you I don't have nothing to do with that.
You didn't. You were screaming and.
I said I don't have nothing to do with that. I'm not the mom. I said those are not my kids. So now I'm going to jail. I have to sleep there too? I don't even have any other charges, so what am I going to jail for?
I just explained it to you.
Okay, so I have to go
Damn, do she never just talk in a regular voice? Just like yell at her regular voice?
county.
I don't know yet.
No, I don't. I don't have any charges.
Okay, if you say so.
The female was charged with assault on police and disorderly conduct. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content, as well as don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, as it helps my channel out tremendously. If you go to my homepage and below, I have 3 other pages that I upload content to as well. So if you done watched everything on this one, go to that one and go to that one and then go to the other one. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it going. Just keep me in rotation like you know what. You get what I'm saying? But see you guys at the next premiere. And that's it, baby. We out. Ha ha.